Show me how you ride your bike.
Action 1.
Go, go, go. Maya, how old are you?
5.
And what kind of bike you riding? Woo!
I'm 7.
Okay, Benny, show me.
I'm 7.
Let me see you riding. Go, Benny. Go, Benny.
Bye, Mama.
Bye. Oh, here comes Benny, all dressed in red on his red bike.
Thank you.
Hi, Jake. Jake's our circus performer. Yum. No.
What?
No, I don't like circus tricks. That's pretty tricky. Are you Bobo the Clown? Jake, come on. Okay, look where you're going. Look where you're going. Look where you're going, Maya. Jacob, take it easy.
Jacob, look where you're going! Mama, she just farted. Mama, look, watch me. Hello, Mama.
Hi, Benny. Hi, Maya. Go, go, go.
I can run like this.
Come on, don't be crazy. Maya, be careful. Brakes, brakes, brakes. You're getting close to the end. Brakes! Maya, when did you learn to ride a bike? When did you learn to ride a bike?
4 days ago.
Yay!
Bye.
Benny, when did you learn to ride a bike?
I think like 2 days.
Yeah.
Actually, yesterday I learned to ride it.
The other yesterday? Maya, brakes.
But sometimes my tail keeps trying to bump into me and scare me.
Yeah, big brothers do that. Say, see you later.